Hey, I'm Taryn from Spark, and I'm going to help you build your Bandit. Tools you will need include the multi-tool found in the packaging, a 15mm or adjustable wrench, a tire pump, and a hot air gun or lighter. The Bandit will arrive in an armored box. To remove it, you can have a friend help you, or you can cut the sides of the box.
Alright!
When you're unboxing and you take the handlebars out, be careful with the cabling, because things might be unplugged. After removing all the wrapping, you can mount the handlebars. Next, we can install the rear turn signals, the foot pegs, and the pedals. Keep in mind the pedals are unique to each side. Next, we set up the front turn signals and can install the headlight.
Put it in.
Make sure to add the heat shrink around the headlight connection. Finally, the battery can be installed and you can power on your bike. A few things to keep an eye out for. If you get a throttle error code, check the cable cluster and make sure it didn't get unplugged. If you have a Hall error, check the connection on the motor cable. If your screen won't turn on, check the cable connection for the screen. You should now be all set and can take the bike on your first ride.